Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 Corvette. This one has a Dayco Correct 350 under the hood with power steering. You can see the exhaust kicks out the side. We got side pipes, and they're loud. Check out maplemotors.com for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping options. Also do a full walk around video on the outside of this car, looking around the interior and underneath. That's located in the last 30 seconds of every test drive video. I want to thank y'all for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Gonna check out the interior before we take off. It's nice and clean in here. Got the back window that pops out, the T-tops come out. Go ahead and place your bets you think the horn works. We'll start her up. This is gonna be a attempted test drive here. Gas gauge is coming up. Water temperature gauge, I don't believe that's gonna work. It looks way off the track. Oil pressure is working. Tax coming up. Showing 95,000 miles on the dash, but I cannot stand behind that. The lights pop up. The wipers work. The horn works. Blower motor works. Radio, it doesn't work. It's original. E-brake works, and the light pops on the dashboard. Let's hit the road. All right, guys, we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see that may be wrong with this, I will let you know. That's the reason I do these test drives. Getting used to the feeling of this. The clutch lets out about halfway. Speedometer's coming up. Steering's nice and tight. As soon as I turn, it turns. This car is pulling to the left though. You see it pulling me over into the left lane there. I'm gonna get on the brakes. Brakes stop fast. Here's loud, guys. It feels incredible though. Oh yeah. Old Dodge Ram was right there beside me. Feels great. Got to stretch for that third gear. Now we're gonna pull up in this parking lot. I'm gonna get some outside shots. Gonna drive over the camera, check it out, see what it looks like from the outside. Woo. my seatbelt up. All right. The sun's bright today. Hopefully that don't get in the camera's way. At the end of this road, they've been voting all day, so everybody's driving. We're gonna jump out in front of this car. Throttle's very responsive. Suspension feels good. It's decent for the year vet it is on speed. It's a great cruiser. Not to get that sun in your eyes. We're about to turn right here and go down the road with a speed bump in it. Kind of give you an idea on suspension. Tell you what, every time I do a video, people pull down this road now. Everybody's done figured out my road. I just like to cut through like I do. Let them get a good head start. Speed bump's right here. And I'm gonna cut through. We just need a little drive right there to our lot, because our lot is right there. Woo. Let's slide on in. Oh yeah. It's a sweet ride, guys. I had fun on this test drive for sure. I hope y'all liked it. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I'm gonna try to post a lot of videos this week. And definitely check out maplemotors.com. I got close to 100 detailed pictures of this car inside, out, and underneath. I've also got shipping and financing available. We do walkarounds of every car, point out all the flaws, and we do test drives so you know what you're getting before you get here. You can see all of my inventory. I update it every week, every Monday. We stock a ton of cars here, probably about 10 to 15 a week, 50 a month. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. You want to see the walk around on that Corvette out there? It's about to pop up. Last 30 seconds of this video. One says test drive, and one just says the year and the model. Thank y'all for sharing my videos. It helps me out greatly. And thank y'all for watching. Later, guys.